Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. My name's Tick. This is the Balloon Sculptor. You know, if you watched our last video, you heard about my love for the ear twist. And one reason why I love the ear twist so much is it lets me do what I think is the coolest techniques and twists in all of balloon twisting. It's called the pop twist. And yes, it's very popular. Da-dum-bum, bing. Well, let me show you what I mean. So a pop twist is in essence two ear twists with a little something in between. So we'll start off with one ear twist. Watch the other video if you need a reminder on how to make an ear twist. And then we'll put a little spacer bubble right there. Let's make another one. There we go. Now, before we do the pop twist, we got to do the secret sauce. It's called a split twist. Now, the split twist is splitting a bubble. So, you notice I have the balloon. There's my jelly bean. I'm now going to bring one part of the balloon up, the other part down, and I'm going to push that jelly bean so it gets split right in half by the balloon. I'm now going to push those up and give them a little twist, just like that. Okay, there we go. See how I made that one bubble? Two bubbles. Do that one more time here. So I have my ear twist, and I'm going to split the balloon. Got that? Kind of look like some cool frog eyes. Ribbit, ribbit, up, ribbit. Yeah, no, we're not even gonna go there. So let's lift those bubbles up, split them, and now we got that. Now the reason why this is called a pop twist is because, well, you can actually pop that middle bubble. Oh, shock! Oh, wow. Why, you ask? Because it's cool. No, there's a lot of times when you might want to have several different split offs for a balloon. And this is really the best way, in my opinion, to do that. You don't need to use multiple balloons. You don't need to keep ripping off, tying, reinflating. Everything's right there for you. And let's just do that again for the fun of it. So I'm going to do my ear twist. Going into push that through, split it for my split twist. Do another one of those. Again, ear twist. You can see why I do so many ear twists. Split that in half. Again, one thing that I've heard over and over again from beginners is, oh, the balloons are going to break. The balloons are going to break. If you have good quality balloons, and there's now several good companies out there, they shouldn't break on you. If they're fresh, if they're good balloons, they're going to hold up to a lot. And I do mean a lot. So if I tie the remainder of this balloon, the tail, right in there, this little part right here, let me grab this, just so it's very easy to see what's going on. So I got my split twist, okay? And I'm going to take my sharp object, and there we go. The balloon is not coming uninflated because here's the magic sauce. It's twisted around there several times. It's pinched together. This is, unless you purposely kind of unscrew it and twist it off, it's going to stay. But hey, just remember, X marks the spot. But remember also, a smile is free. A thank you only takes a moment. But an encouraging word at the right time can change your life. So until next time, keep on twisting.